Believe it or not, you can build serious muscle without any equipment in just 3 weeks. In this video, I'll show you 6 powerful bodyweight exercises that will help you build strength fast. And make sure to stick around till the end, because the last exercise is a game changer for muscle growth and fat loss. Let's jump right in. 1. Push-ups. Upper body strength. Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building chest, shoulder, triceps, and core strength. For beginners, start with knee or incline push-ups. For advanced lifters, try diamond, archer, or explosive push-ups. Key tip: keep your body in a straight line, lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up explosively. 2. Squats. Lower body power. Squats are the king of leg exercises. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also strengthening your core and lower back. Form tip: keep your back straight, chest up, and knees aligned with your toes. Make it harder. Try jump squats or pulse squats for an extra burn. Squats don't just build muscle, they boost joint mobility, improve balance, and even increase testosterone and growth hormone levels. 3. Mountain climbers. Full body burn. Mountain climbers combine muscle building with cardio, making them a killer exercise for core strength, endurance, and fat loss. How to do them? Start in a high plank position. Drive your knees toward your chest as fast as possible. Keep a steady, controlled rhythm for maximum intensity. The faster you go, the more calories you burn, while still building muscle endurance. 4. Jumping jacks. Explosive conditioning. Jumping jacks may seem simple, but they're a full-body movement that activates your shoulders, calves, and core while improving cardiovascular endurance. Keep a steady pace and land softly to protect your joints. Want to level up? Add resistance bands or try plyometric-style jumping jacks for explosive power. 5. Lunges. Single leg strength. Lunges isolate each leg individually, helping to build balanced lower body strength while also improving hip flexibility and stability. How to do them? Step forward and lower your back knee toward the floor. Push through your front heel to return to standing. Alternate legs and stay controlled throughout the movement. For a challenge, try walking lunges or jump lunges. Lunges also mimic real-life movements, making them one of the most functional exercises for strength and mobility. 6. HIIT, muscle and fat loss. Powerhouse. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is a game changer. By alternating between short bursts of maximum effort and brief recovery periods, HIIT forces your body to burn fat while building strength. Example: HIIT routine: 30 seconds of burpees, 20 seconds of jump squats, 10 seconds rest, repeat for 5 rounds. This workout triggers EPOC, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, which means your metabolism stays elevated for hours after your workout. For best results, follow this simple but effective plan. Strength days, 3 times per week. Push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. HIIT days, 2 times per week. 30 seconds mountain climbers plus 30 seconds jumping jacks, repeat 4 rounds. 20 seconds rest, between rounds rest and recovery, 2 times per week. Light movement, stretching, or yoga to rebuild and grow stronger. Stick to this plan, increase intensity over time, and you'll see amazing results in just 3 weeks. Want to take your training to the next level? Adding equipment like resistance bands can increase difficulty and accelerate your gains. Check out this next video for more advanced exercises. Like this video? Hit that like button. Comment your favorite exercise below. See you in the next workout. Strong.